Hello guys, welcome to Concentrate Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to rationalize the denominator of a set. So let's get straight into it. Rationalizing the denominator of a set comes in three basic forms. The first one is a out of square root of b. The second one is a over b plus square root of c, or a over b minus square root of c. For the very first one, which is a out of square root of b, you multiply both the numerator and the denominator by square root of b, which is the denominator. So square root of b out of square root of b. Then you multiply the numerator by the numerator, which gives a times root b out of root b all squared. Now this gives us a root b over b. This square cancels out the square roots. Now for the second one, which is a out of b plus square root of c, you multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. Now the conjugate simply means you change the sign. So if it's positive, you change it to negative. If it's negative, you change it to positive. In this example here, it is positive, so you change it to negative. So you multiply by b minus square root of c, all divided by b minus square root of c. Multiply the numerator by the numerator, which gives a times b minus square root of c, all divided by b plus square root of c, b minus square root of c. Rewriting it gives us a b minus square root of c, all divided by b plus square root of c multiplying b minus square root of c. A times b gives us ab. A times root c gives us a root c, but there's a minus here, so minus a root c, all divided by b multiplies b here, which is b squared, then b multiplies minus root c, which gives us what? B root c, but there's a minus here, so minus b root c, then root c multiplies b here, that is b root c, there's a positive sign here, so b root c, then root c multiplies root c, which is root c all squared, which is c, but there's a negative sign here. Positive negative is negative, so minus root c all squared. This now gives us our final answer of ab minus a root c, all divided by b squared minus root c all squared. Now the very third one, which is a out of b minus root c. In the same way, we multiply by the conjugate, which is b plus root c over b plus root c. So a times b, so we write it in this form, which is a into bracket b plus root c, all divided by b minus root c, b plus root c. So a times b is ab, a times root c is a root c, there's a positive sign here, so plus a root c divided by b times b is b squared, b times root c is b root c, positive, 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 so plus b root c. Root c times b is what? B root c, negative, positive, negative, so minus b root c. Then root c times root c is root c all squared. Negative positive is negative, minus root c all squared. So we now have our final answer to be AB plus A root c divided by B squared minus root c all squared. Now let's take some actual examples. Example 1. 1 over square root of 11. Over here, you multiply by square root of 11 divided by square root of 11. So 1 times square root of 11 is square root of 11 divided by square root of 11 all squared. This squared caters for this square root, and hence our final answer is square root of 11 over 11. Example 2. 1 over 3 minus square root of 7. So we multiply by the conjugate, which is 3 plus square root of 7 divided by 3 plus square root of 7. So 1 times 3, basically the numerator is the same, which is 3 plus square root of 7, just because it's 1 over here, divided by 3 multiplies 3, which is 9. 3 multiplying root 7, positive, positive, positive. So it is 3 root 7 root 7 multiplying 3. That is 3 root 7. Negative, positive, negative. So minus 3 root 7. Then root 7 multiplying root 7, which is root 7 all squared. Negative, positive, negative, minus root 7 all squared, which gives us our final answer of 3 plus root 7 all divided by 9 minus root 7 all squared. You can further simplify this to be 3 plus square root of 7 over 9 minus 7, which is 3 plus root 7 over 2. And that's our final answer. Example 3. 1 over 2 plus square root of 3. You multiply by the conjugate, which is 2 minus square root of 3 divided by 2 minus square root of 3. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times root 3 is root 3. There's a negative sign here, so minus root 3 divided by 2 multiplies 2, which is 4. 2 multiplies root 3, which is 2 root 3, but positive negative is negative, so minus 2 root 3. Root 3 multiplies 2, which is 2 root 3. Positive positive is positive, 2 root 3. Then root 3 multiplies root 3, which is root 3 all squared. Positive negative negative, minus root 3 all squared. We have over here 2 minus square root of 3 divided by 4. Minus 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3 is 0, minus root 3 all squared. We can further simplify this to 2 minus square root of 3 all divided by 4 minus 3, because this squared caters for the square root. So our final answer now is 2 minus square root of 3 all divided by 1, which is the same as 2 minus root 3. This is our final answer. Try the following examples and let me know your answers in the comment section. If you like this video, kindly give me a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that anytime that I upload a new video, you will be notified. I love you very much, and I'll see you again in my next tutorial. Bye bye.